Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices dropped more than 2%, hitting an over 1-month low, as rising trade optimism boosted risk appetite, leading investors to shift away from bullion. US gold futures settled 1.8% lower. The S&P 500 closed slightly higher after flitting between gains and losses during the session, as investors waited for the next batch of economic data after a robust start to the week spurred by soft inflation data and a US-China tariff truce. Ether has surged over 50% month-to-date in May, vastly outperforming the broader crypto market's 15.25% gain. The rally has pushed Ethereum's market dominance toward the critical 10% threshold for the first time since March. The euro-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The RSI is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate losses in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
With a full schedule ahead, the economic calendar features critical reports and updates, ranging from major announcements to moderate impact data. These releases may guide financial markets, so staying informed is key. These updates are not just routine, they're potential catalysts for market change. Be ready to evaluate their impact and adjust your investment plans accordingly.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.